We love San Antonio. It's a great town. We're trying to make the airport feel like the rest of the city. My name is Conger. My wife and I run Smoke Shack BBQ. I kind of feel like Smoke Shack is starting to become a staple of San Antonio. We were a part of the new gourmet style food truck. Now we have a restaurant, a bar, and a meat market. I've been in the restaurant industry since 2004. That's when I went to Oxford, Mississippi, Ole Miss. My stepfather gave me a barbecue pit. We smoked a brisket the whole way from Dallas to Oxford. First brisket I ever cooked. That's kind of where it all started. Smoke Shack BBQ is a little bit of everything. We have pulled pork, chicken, turkey, but the Texas Trinity is brisket, sausage, and pork ribs. If you're gonna get a 3-meat plate in Texas, that's what you're getting. We wanted to have really special sandwiches. I believe we came up with the brisket grilled cheese. Good old American cheese on Texas toast, a handful of brisket, and some barbecue sauce. Our sausages are probably my favorite. We now have a meat market next door where we make all of our sausage links. We have jalapeno cheddar, we've got our all beef hot link, we have our house link. It's a blend of pork and beef. It's cased in a natural pork casing. It's a really good link. Most people's favorite is the ribs. It's a St. Louis style pork rib. We put our barbecue rub on top and then we sprinkle it with coarse black pepper. And then right before we serve it, we put our glaze on it, which is butter, brown sugar, and molasses. Barbecue and music go hand in hand. We're gonna bring that to the airport and we're gonna have a little stage with some live music. I think it'll really set the tone and the atmosphere for the rest of the airport. I feel like both of them bring people together and that's what I love about it. I love making people happy with food.